Alright, I'm going to give a little demo here of how to use paranoid text encryption. This is for the PC. You can have this actually on your phone and a tablet, so I recommend everyone having this. First off, I'm going to use AES 256. Alright, password, I type it in twice. Remember, the people on the receiving end have to have the same password. They have to type the same password in here to decrypt this message. So you'll have to have somehow exchanged passwords. Alright, on this case, here we're using a salute report, but we could use anything, whatever sensitive information we wanted to send. So it's nothing's encrypted right now. I'll hit encrypt. All right, there's our encrypted message. Now to send it to someone, we just copy this off. All right, and in this case, we're going to send it over the air. So I'm going to send a Vmail. All right, it's going to be to Cobra from Snake. Subject is urgent. All right, and then I'm just going to paste this message in there. All right, and then I will send it off. If I was connected to Cobra, I'd send it to him. All right, we're not connected. It's going to go to the outbox. But there, I just sent that. Another thing we could do is we got Notepad. We can paste that same message in there. File, go to save. All right, and we would save it as Gen 2 since I already got one in there. All right, and then it was saved. And then from there, if we were connected to Snake, we could send a file, but it won't let us do it. All right, so now let's say we got that message. Cobra got it. All right, so that's gone. We'll just go ahead and delete this. All right, so we would take that message we received, we would copy it, we'd paste it, then we'd hit decrypt. All right, there's that message. That's all there is to using this encryption app, and it's much faster than trying to do a one-time pad, so it saves you a lot of time. So I highly recommend you having this on every computer you have.